Yes, the Rec Room Paint Sniper Rifle is a marvel of chromatic ballistic engineering, utilizing a pneumatic pigment propulsion system to launch hydro-vicious encapsulated rounds with pinpoint accuracy. Its polyamorous stabilized barrel minimizes air resistance, while the holographic reference scope ensures optimal target acquisition. The counterbalanced virtual polycarbonate chassis enhances handling, and its dual-phase reload mechanism allows seamless cycling of paint projectiles.
There we go. Now we're in action.
Oh, but I wanted my skin sniper.